This is DJI Air 3, and today I'll show how you can format an aircraft's SD card on this drone. So first, you will need to launch the camera view of the DJI Fly app. Here, press those three dots to launch settings. Next, select the camera section, or camera category of settings, should I rather say. Scroll down, look for the storage, select an SD card, make sure that SD card is selected, and once it is, press the format option right over here. Then once again, make sure to select location to format, select your SD card, not internal storage, and then once again press the format option. As you can see, the formatting has been started, the formatting procedure, and now it is finished. So, as far as this video goes, that'll be it, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.